Interesting, I would say. Yeah, it's interesting. It's cool. It's cool working with like people from other countries. Yeah, interesting and fun because we're working together with German students and Spanish students. I love talk with other people. It's an exchange, and I think it's really good.
Yeah, we divided into 3 groups, and the group I was in is in charge of doing a small publication. And we have binded the pages.
So we stamped it, the orange color, and to join the sheet of paper.
I'm working on the organization group. The task of this group is to present the project, the big project.
We organized the whole presentation and the script and also Instagram.
And a nice presentation for the end of the...
I'm working on like the painting group, and we're doing 3 big canvases with the artists and the portraits, yeah, and like a quote from them and interpretation of the building.
Oh, it is so bright. It is so illuminated city. One side is a metropole, but also in the El Carmen is a small village.
It's really pretty. The weather here is so good. It's so sunny and it's a bit windy, so it's quite like good weather, like not too hot but not too cold. Yeah.
I like the food, I like the people, the culture, la idioma.
Oh, I really like to see all the different dance techniques from all the different countries. I thought this was pretty entertaining. Yeah.
It was fun. I didn't expect that, and it was just nice. My favorite part was the dance, like thinking about songs that could represent our country. But it was really nice.
Talked about also the point of view in the last week, and it was great. We had a lot of fun, and I think everybody had fun, and everybody learned something in the last week.
All German people, Spanish people, and French people are having fun, tasting a paella. All together, take something to drink and enjoy it. Okay, I can't just choose one word, but I think it will be like collaboration or empowerment, because at the end, when you see that everything is great or looks great and people are happy, and the aim of the project that also was to people make new friends, collaborate, learn to open their mind and work with other people, other cultures and things. I think this is really nice and makes you empowered.